Hey guys, Joey from Carns Equipment. Today we have for you the all-new 2026 Polaris Ranger 500. This is a brand new model for Polaris. This is a sub $10,000 machine, very entry-level machine, or even if you've had a ton of machines and you just want something small and nimble to use at the house or at your camp or even to take out hunting, perfect machine for that. You can see on the front you got some really cool styling up here, some super bright headlights. This machine does come from the factory with this Polaris winch. If we come around this side, you would think with a sub $10,000 machine you're going to get some ugly steel wheels or something, but not with Polaris. You got these nice aluminum wheels here, some nice Carlisle tires, so you're never going to have to worry about getting stuck. On the inside here, this machine does come with the net doors and a roof already installed. There are other accessories for this machine, such as a front windshield or a rear panel. Polaris kept it simple on the inside of this one. You do have a digital display in front of the steering wheel. You have your shifter there, and then you have your four-wheel drive controls. There's a couple other notches there, so if you do want to add some accessories like a light bar, you can pop it right in the dash and it looks real nice and factory. This machine does have a full-size dump bed. The handles on the other side. On the back here, you have a latch on either side for your tailgate, which I prefer because that's going to keep it nice and sturdy right where you want it. That drops down just like in a pickup truck. And then if we go over here, there's a handle on this side to where you can dump the whole bed. It's nice and easy to do, so no matter who you are, you're going to be able to dump this bed. If you have a load back there, get it right out. This machine is a 500cc. It is fuel injected, but it's not a slouch. This machine makes about 32 horsepower, so it's going to do anything that you would need it to do. If you're going to haul some stone, throw a deer in the bed, anything like that, this machine's going to do it. Come on down to Carns Equipment, take it for a ride, and take it out.